Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to silence message sounds on WhatsApp. If you find the constant message notifications on WhatsApp to be distracting or annoying, this video is for you. To start, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. Next, tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your WhatsApp experience. Now tap on Notifications from the list of options available. This will bring up the notification settings for WhatsApp. Finally, to silence the message sounds, all you have to do is turn off the conversation tone option. This will disable the sound notification whenever you receive a message on WhatsApp. And that's it. You have successfully silenced the message sounds on WhatsApp. Now you can enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience without the constant interruptions of notification sounds. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.